Hello, folks, students, and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. Consignment SD, that means sales and distribution sales process in S4 HANA, any version for that matters. Let's try to understand this. Okay. So, when it comes to consignment sales and how it differs from your regular credit sales or cash sales. Okay. So, first you try to understand what is consignment sale and why we required. And next we're going to see process snapshot. Okay. Let's have a look around of credit sales. Generally what happens, you create order. Okay. You create delivery. And after that you are creating a billing. For example, if you order 10 pieces, 10 pieces delivered, 10 pieces billed, and you will have a regular returns. Okay. This is the process of a credit sales. Credit sales means on credit basis, you can able to, based on your payment terms, you can able to do that. Similar process. Cash sales, you will have the similar process. The only thing is that you have to pay, you have to prepay. Immediate delivery will be created. That is about your credit sales and cash sales. So what is consignment sale? Okay. So basically what happens, what are all the parties involved if any sales process is there? So you have a company and you have a like your customer. Okay. So basically what happens, your customer writes a purchase order to the company. Company will then deliver goods to the customer. This is the regular process. Okay. So generally what happens, company maintain their inventory. Okay. So either plant, storage location, okay, basis, or else it can be warehouse, company warehouse, right? So this is how you are having two kind of stocks in SAP sales. So what is this consignment sales? Who is consigner and who is consignee? Okay. Consigner means who actually send the stock and maintain at consignee location. Consignee means your customer. Okay. Who is the consigner means your company. So for a difference, okay, generally you will maintain your unrestricted stock. For example, it is 10,000. Okay. You got an order. Okay. So then, so it is got reduced. Something like, okay. So let me take like this. So suppose let's do one thing. Let's do the at a delivery level. So PCA done. Okay. Minus, let's put this one. Okay. Sorry. This is a balance. Let me put here as a warehouse or plant. It doesn't make any difference. Okay. So if you take this minus, okay, if it is consumed, PCA done 990 the stock. Suppose you have given one more order like this. Okay. Okay. Let's try to check the balance now. Okay. So again, let's try to copy here. Okay. So it is got reduced to stock again 970. Okay, let's make it manual, no issues. So the stock will be reduced like this, where so this is called either your warehouse stock, okay, unrestricted stock. Okay, so this is maintained where it is maintained in your company premises. Okay, so that means company warehouse or company plant storage location, it will be maintained the stock. Okay, for a difference, what is this? So in consignment sales, instead of maintaining the stock, for example, okay, so you have a long-lasting relationship between company, okay, and customer. So who who and all my customers? The company is like CA. It is selling CA tires, maybe different sizes. It is selling the company CA Company Limited. And who are all customers? Customers might be like Hyundai and Honda Okay. So Kia, so Maruti, okay. Daimler means your bench cost, and your BMW, like that. All these are the different customers C8 car is having. Not the C8. In this example, I have taken this one as a C8. Okay. So customers, I have like, all these are the customers. Okay. So what I want to do is, I don't know the business fluctuations and sales and their festivals and their promotion. I don't have any idea. Okay. Whenever they want, I need to supply the stock to these companies. Okay. So in this case, if I would like to send, okay. So for example, the customer is Hyundai, assume, okay. For Hyundai, so these are the tires I'm sending. Okay. So it has a lot of time. Okay. So like, so for sending the stock, it will take some time. Okay. Probably by the time the seasonal sales might end or promotion might end, a lot of bottlenecks to avoid the competition, to speed up the business process. So we required a consignment sales. So what we have to do is, instead of sending the stock directly customer to them from unrestricted stock, what we have to do is, we'll just place the stock at customer location. Okay. So the similar, suppose this 1,000 is there. Okay. I'm just, so don't take all these companies. For example, I'm just placing at customer place 1,000. Okay. So when I place the stock, I'm not going to make any sale to this customer. I'm offering the sale. So instead of, for example, this is located in India. Okay. So this is located in Germany. Okay. Germany, for a difference. The customer located in Germany, the customer Hyundai Germany, Hyundai USA, Hyundai UK, like, you'll have a different location. What I have to do is, instead of sending like this, instead of creating confusion, instead of avoiding conflicts of the promotion, instead of to speed up the business process, I will place the stock here. Okay. So that means, for example, okay, whatever the unrestricted stock is there, I'll just try to. So this stock is, assume that 10,000. Okay. So in my company in India, CATS, I'm just placing the stock in one location. Okay. Another location, I'm just placing the stock that is for maybe in India only some location. Okay. So USA, I'm just going to place like, some stock like this. Let me put here stock here. So here 1,000, here 2,000, like that, depends on the demand. I'm just keeping the stock. So when I keep the stock from unrestricted, I'm just taking from this place, from my company warehouse, I'm just keeping the stock nearby my customer. Okay. So once I keep the stock, it is just moved. For example, from 10,000, I removed 4,000. So the balance will be 6,000. Okay. That means when I place it the stock. So that means I'm filling the stock from my unrestricted stock to customer location. Okay. This stock, probably you might have a difference, right? When I remove the stock, when I'm placing at customer place, but sale, it is not happened. Okay. Then this stock will call it as a special stock. Okay. Why we have to call it as? Because this stock, for example, if I place it at Germany, okay, he got a say, suppose he would like to use it for, so out of 1,000 tires, some 16 tires, use it for 4 cars. Okay. So stock will be reduced. Okay. So maybe like, he would like to manufacture some 4 cars. Okay. Generally car will have 4 tires, right? I'm just telling an example. So that means 16 tires, he would like to utilize it. Okay. So the Hyundai German customer. So once, so if, so like, if he, so from this special stock, okay, let me insert our row. So suppose he utilized a 16 stock. Okay. That means issued for customer 16 stock, 1,000 minus, this one is how much? 16. So special stock is 984. actual 16 tires it is got utilized. When they utilized, the company CET will raise a bill to the customer Hyundai. Okay, this is the process. This is called consignment issue. Okay, so we have four processes basically. Let me try to show you in the slide how the process works. Okay, uh, why we require means let me tell you before going to snapshot. It is avoid conflicts like time saving. So you can able to catch up with promotion. You can able to catch up with competition, and then you can able to save your inventory expenses, and you can do a lot. You can keep in touch with your customer also with consignment sales. Let's check this, what exactly it is. So basically, shipper means your company is holding the unrestricted stock here. Okay. I think if you observe here, okay. So this stock, I'm filling up at customer location. For example, this is a seat company, CET company. I'm filling at the stock at Hyundai. Okay. This we will call it as once it is moved from unrestricted to customer location, this stock we will call it as a special stock or dumped stock. Okay. So this, if customer don't use this stock, okay, still ownership is belongs to only CET only. Okay, until unless. So at any time he can take it back the stock to company. So that means special stock will be reversed to unrestricted stock. That we will call it as pickup. It is simple. Suppose if you go back, okay, when you make the stock here 1000 or so this 4000 we have utilized it, right? So 1000, okay. So 1000 and 2000, 4000, 6000 is unrestricted stock. This is at company location. This is at customer location at different locations of the customers. Okay. So once it is dumped, that means moved from unrestricted to here. Okay. When they don't want it, for example, certain stocks might have expiry date. For example, if you try to send any chemicals at customer location as a substitution product or something like that, such a case, if those have expiration date, so those need to be returned back to the location. For example, so customer says they have a process for CET every financial year. They would like to check their inventory and they would like to take the old stock. That means if it is manufactured in 2024, they would like to take it back to their company and they would like to give it to, after a couple of years, they would like to replace the stock. Okay. For example, this 4000, okay, here 1000 sent back. Okay. Sent back. So it will be sent back to your unrestricted stock. That means company is picking and taking back to their location. That we will call it as a consignment pickup. Okay. That's what here represents. So filling up here customer location, taking back, that is pickup. Okay. So consignment issue, whatever the stock issued, 16 tires we have utilized, right? That is called consignment issue. See, these two are at customer location only. At maybe like, this is plant location. This is customer warehouse. So you can say that. Okay. So if out of 16 tires, if two got damaged, if you return it back, okay, two tires to the customer special stock, that is called consignment returns. Okay. So how it works, let me show you 1 second. With this example only, I would like to, for your understanding. Okay. So first one is consignment filler. Okay. What is consignment filler? Okay. You have a document type and you are taking like 1000 stock out of 10,000. Let's so like this guy is German Hyundai. So I'm placing. So I'm delivering. So if you see consignment filler, okay. So that means I'm creating order and delivery. Okay. Maybe some document type like CF. Okay. Why we have separate, I will explain you. So you have a delivery. So once you did this from CET, whatever the 10,000 stock, 1000 will be reduced and it will be placed at customer location. Okay. So special inventory. Okay. 1000 it is reduced. Okay, remove all these things. Okay. So from company C8 company 10,000. Let's put here. Okay, this is one thing. Let me represent with one color so that you can better understand this. This is from here. I placed it as a special stock. Special stock is this one. Okay. So whenever this is balance. Okay. Balance at unrestricted. So this one is something like okay, 9,000 is unrestricted stock and it is special stock. You have done so it is ready, but who the ownership belongs to whom? C8 only. Just placed, boss. If you use it, I'll charge it. If you don't use it, I don't charge it. Okay. Next, customer would like to utilize it. Consignment issue. Okay. Document type 100. He would like to utilize it. Okay. Again, LF 100 got delivered. Okay. Assume that. Okay. Once customer utilize, it should be billed. So 100 should be billed. What is this bill? Okay. Consignment issue. So whatever the stock it is there, 100 it is utilized means. So what is the balance? Here it is 900. Okay. This is consignment issue. You got it right. So it is placed and it is utilized. So if you way back to our example in the slide, okay. So it is filled, it as a special stock and dumped, and after that it is issued. That means utilized. Okay, for assembling the cars. Okay. So next one is consignment return. Okay. So in this 100 tires, suppose 10 got damaged. Okay. 10 got minor damage. They called, we would like to return. So then, so here 100 is ownership belongs to German customer, German Hyundai, right? Okay. So once they done the return, okay, 10 they return. So it special stock will become like 9, 10. Okay. So that means 90 only properly utilized. 10 it is got returned. Okay. Once they return, so this is like, return, that, right? It's a credit memo. Okay. They need to. So this 10, it is reached. Okay. This 10, they don't want, so anyhow, either it should be physically, okay, demolished at customer location only, okay, or else it need to be returned to main factory, okay, C8 factory. Assume that it is returned. That is called consignment pickup. 990 become 9100. Okay, so let's come here. So 4 is pick up. Okay, that means picking from special stock to unrestricted stock is called consignment pickup. Okay, simple. So let me show you the slide. Now you can understand. So here, unrestricted 1000 sent here. Okay, filled up. Okay, dumped here, customer location. Customer wanted to utilize 100. They have taken 100. That is called issue. Okay, so once issued, they came to know that it is got damaged. Once damaged, okay, they returned back to the special stock. So it will become 900 become 910. Okay, that 910, the 10 stock again returned back to unlisted stock. So here it will become 900 and it will become, so whatever the 9,000, 10 or something like that. Okay, this is how it works. I think you understood the process. So like, what are the process get involved? Like, as I said that, let me show you again. So the process starts well like this. you have unlisted stock at company. So you're filling up at customer location as a special stock or dumped stock. And if you don't want, after a financial year, if you can return also, not only for damaged. Okay. So if you would like to issue, that means Honda, you would like to utilize it, they can utilize it. If it is damaged or some XYZ reason, they can able to return this. Okay. Like that, you can able to run the consignment sales process. Okay. So I think you understood the introduction. Okay. So probably like from we can able to see the system demo. Okay. Before going ahead, I have a request. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is my course on S4 HANA sales. Currently it is 44.5 hours with 139. So this session also will be added over there. And this is for rebate settlement for sales. I have done a course. So these two courses will be continuously get updated. Okay, if you really have interest, you can able to give a try. Now currently it is available for at lower price. If you come back to the other courses, I have something called pricing on S4 HANA. Okay, advanced pricing concepts means at standard level only. I have advanced level concepts I have explained. If you have a basics, currently it is holding in ECC 2000 plus students. And if you'd like to check, okay, this is for S4 HANA, all business processes are captured. This is for interview purpose and as well as for your real time. If you want to learn, you can learn. This is for your FSCM credit management. This is for BP. You can give it a try. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Please stay tuned with me to raise your skills. Have a great day. Let's catch up in next session with system demo.